Hello crafty family and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, on the hunt for more amazing scores. Now I love sharing all the new finds with you all so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip, so let's dive in. Now the first thing that I spotted when I walked into the store was this round of display items. Look at these gorgeous bottles, you guys. They come in three really pretty spring colors and it has a clear acrylic little bird as the stopper on the top. I mean, how pretty are these? Brand new at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. They also had some new ceramic style birds. Now these all come in really bright spring colors like blue and lavender, and they have this like pink color, and they all have this iridescent finish to them that's really pretty. Now if you don't like iridescent, they have these which look more like a creamy ceramic color with blue, lavender, and white. These are my favorites. I love these items for $1.25. Here's another item that just came out. These are solid glass flower petal votive candle holders. I just think that these are absolutely gorgeous and I love that really pretty finish to them. These are another new item and I've never seen it before. This is kind of like an odd shaped mirror on a stand. Now that film on the top is just to protect the mirror, but I thought that was neat and it would be fun to craft with. Now they do have a new dish collection this week and I'm excited to share it. These have gorgeous blue flowers on them. Reminds me of wildflowers and butterflies. And here's the mug, and they also have these are like the juice glasses, and you can see all the pretty butterflies and the flowers and the greenery that's on there. They also have the tall drinking glasses that go to this collection as well. I have a feeling that this collection will not last. Here are the salad plates, and now you could get a clear look at all the pretty flowers on here. Look at this. It's so springy, and I think the blue in these plates, that pop of color, just looks amazing. Now here is the bowl design. You could see all of the little butterflies and flowers on that one as well. And these are made from that same white ceramic on a lot of Dollar Tree's items. Now at the bottom, they did have the large dinner plates, and you can see the print on those as well. I would suggest that you grab these if you're looking for them. Don't wait and come back because they might be gone. Do you guys remember this collection? It is back. So this collection on the kitchen items has these blue flowers. They have the 2-pack pot holders. Here are the oven mitts. One side is floral, one side is solid. And I love that you can choose whether you want a printed saying on them or you can have the flowers. I personally prefer just the flowers and not the sayings. So thank you, Dollar Tree, for offering a no printed design on this collection. Here are the tall drinking glasses that go along. You can see it has that same floral pattern on there. And then they also have really intricate designs on here that I love that's also on the bowls. If you look at the bottom of the bowls, look at how the bottom lip of that bowl looks. I just think that gives it a really high-end type of look and will look great in a table setting. They do have the salad plates. Now I have taken one of these salad plates before and I've done a DIY for Christmas with these. So they're not only for place settings, you can actually DIY with them. Now at the bottom, they did have the large dinner plates, and you can see the detail on the flowers really well in these. Now I didn't forget the mugs. They were on the shelf as well, and they have that blue floral pattern on those. And then they also have the juice glasses to match. This is a really beautiful collection altogether. Now, for the past couple weeks, I've been finding Nautica plates, and this week, another Nautica plate showed up. So this is a different design from all the other plates that I've been seeing, but I wanted to let you know there is a new pattern out showing up at the store. So if you're collecting them, be on the lookout for this one. And have you guys seen the Coca-Cola items that are starting to show up at the Dollar Tree? I just saw them this week. This is a 2-pack of plastic cups with the Coca-Cola logo and design on them. Now these are all in that $1.25 section. I've never seen these before at the Dollar Tree. Now they not only had the cups, they had this large bucket as well. So this is a large bowl or bucket that you can use that has the Coke and Coca-Cola logos on there. You could use these as ice buckets, serving buckets, or whatever you may like. I think these are perfect for the collector or for summer. I've seen these too. These are new water bottles. Now, they only had two styles on the shelf by the time I made it to this Dollar Tree. But like I say, you guys, you have to check multiple times a week. There are several more water bottles in this collection that I just have not seen. But I wanted to let you know that these two are available. If you are getting ready to organize, the Dollar Tree has hit us with another organization collection. These feature pink, turquoise, and royal blue colors, and they are so bright and beautiful for the summer. So I love these because of the different sizes that they offer. So if you have different unique spaces that have different sizing, you could choose tall, short, flat, wide, or whatever you may want for baskets. Now, I really do love these round baskets, especially for under the sink or on a shelf. They're just aesthetically pleasing, and I love all these colors that they selected for this collection. Now, they do have a different kind of weave on some of these, so you want to be look closely to see which ones that you really want. And of course, those classic locker style bins, those are always also available when they come out with a new collection. These are nice too. These are large bins, and I love these because these are stackable. So if you're looking for stackable size bins, these are the ones that I would get. And plus, they have a very large capacity. If you like the handled baskets, they had those in this collection as well, with the blue and the pink and the turquoise. So be on the lookout. And here's that round one in the pink. Of course, they always put the laundry baskets in the collection as well, so you can get those to coordinate with the entire collection. These are another style of the handled baskets. I think these are great for taking to the beach because it'll just knock off all the sand off all of your items as you carry them. So these are really popular during the summer. Over in the garden section, I noticed new solar lights came out. These are those color solar lights. They were out last year, sold out super quick, but they are back this year, and they have multiple colors. Now, I am showing you green here, but they do have other colors like blue and red. So these are actually selling pretty quick. And look what else I spotted. Remember these from a few weeks ago? Those spray misters are back, so keep on the lookout. Don't give up. Now, over in the craft section, I love to craft with wood, and we know that the Dollar Tree has the wood pieces pre-cut in the crafters section. Now, I have some kind of feeling about these. I love to cut my own wood, and because these pieces are, look how tiny some of them are, they're just not worth $125 to me. So, but if you want the convenience, they do have pieces that are already pre-cut, but I would suggest going to a home improvement store, buying a piece. They're usually $5, $6, but you can get a ton of cuts out of a long piece. Now, also in the craft section, look at this display of jewelry making supplies. This is the first time I've ever seen it. I'm so excited. They have so many different pieces and styles in this collection that, let me tell you, I went in the middle of the week, and then by the end of the week when I went back, there were only a few packets left. So that tells you that people are seriously on the hunt for jewelry making supplies. So they had all kinds of beads, wire, they had little trinkets and accessories that you can put on bracelets. They have the clasps, and they have leather-like cording. They have so many different pieces that you could use. If you are a jewelry maker, this would be the mother lode for you. Now, they even have these little cards that you can hang up your finished projects on when you are done, especially if you are a reseller or like to display your items. Now, I did want to take a closer look at some of these, like this cording. I wanted to show that not only is it available in brown, but they have yellow, purple, blue, green, orange. So they did have multiple colors of the different cording that you can use in this collection. So it's not only the one that's up front, they have more behind it. Now, if you like crafting with wire on your jewelry, they have copper, they have kind of like a muted tin silver, they have some bright gold there, and then hanging out in the back, they do have just your standard light color silver. So that's definitely a great deal for all of this assortment. Now, here's another item that would be fun to craft with. These are crafting sponges. I think that these are cute. You could use these as paint sponges, and the kids would have fun with them, and you can also use them in your crafts. And then I rounded the corner to find just a few more shore living items. These are those long plank boards with seahorses and sailboats. And they also had a few signs, but there's definitely more to come in this collection this summer. Now, in the tool section, I have about 3 of these tape measures hanging around my house, but look what they have now, a new heavier duty tape measure in the same length. So yep, I had to add another one. I mean, why not? Now, another item that I love to use in the tool section in my crafting room are these utility knives. Now, this is a new style I haven't seen before. You can see it comes in multiple colors, which is great, but it also comes with 2 additional blades, which is a really great idea. Now, these are the ones that I currently have in my craft room right now. I love these knives. I think they work very well. Now in the cleaning area, I saw candles. These new candles, look at the lid. I mean, the lid just makes the whole candle. It looks so nice. They had multiple colors, a brand new item. These are all $125. I think that is such an amazing deal. Also in the cleaning section, they have new stain remover wipes. I've never seen this item at the Dollar Tree, and it comes with 12 wipes in there. You can grab a few, throw them in your bag on the go, just in case you have that little accident. They also have this. This is a yoga mat refresher. They did have 3 different scents available at the Dollar Tree, and again, these are all $125. Brand new item. If you love wearables, let's check out these socks, you guys. They have Star Wars socks. I've never seen these before. These come in a 2-pack for $125, and you could choose all kinds of different styles that they have. Now, they did have more Space Jam socks. These feature the little Martian, and so these are also sold in a 2-pack. Now, I did feature some of these before in a Bugs Bunny print, so if you've been looking for them, they also have Bugs Bunny, so just be on the lookout for all the different varieties. They had new single socks as well, like the Angry Birds version. You guys remember that from the 90s? They also have some Smurfs. Now that definitely takes me back to the 80s. Very nostalgic. Also, if you love the Haribo gummies, they had the Haribo socks available. And Street Fighter, I mean, I remember seeing that arcade so many times, so they did have that. And then Snoopy, the classic, Peanuts, they had those as well. Now look at these slides, you guys. These are those foam slide slippers. They had them in gray, black, pink. They had them in navy. And you guys, $125 just to slide onto your feet and head to the beach. I just think this is an amazing deal. I think this is such a great deal to just throw in the beach basket and head to the beach. In the health and beauty, look at this. Now, this is a little holder for your beauty blender. So as you use and clean your beauty blenders, you can stick them in this holder and then they will just dry out without being in contact with any other surface and not getting any kind of contamination. So if you're looking for that, check out your beauty section. Also in the beauty section, look what they got, the LA Colors Perfect Pairs. This comes with a fingernail polish and a lip gloss set. So I think for 2 pieces, it's really great for $125. And then you could choose different assorted color mixes. So you definitely check that out. I think that would be such a great idea if you have like an Easter stocking you're working on. Now, I always swing by the toys, and this time the little doll or fake Barbie furniture is showing up. Listen, Barbie's got a kayak, a jet ski. Barbie is just living her best life right now, isn't she? Oh my goodness. I've never seen those. Also for the Barbie type furniture, they did have some different chairs that you can use. They had different stools. Look at this little pink one. This is like a chair or kind of like a love seat or like a little chair you could use, upholstered type of chair that's plastic. They also have beds. So if you're just wanting to get something to just put together like a little area for your doll play and you just don't want to invest a whole lot of money, You guys, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. They really are coming through with a lot of these fun things. Now, for smaller accessories like clothing and stuff, the Dollar Tree has their own version of the little outfits that you can use to dress up your Barbie style dolls. Also, they have Barbie brand items that you can use too, like handbag accessories. You could use shoes, glasses, hair accessories. You can see these are all Barbie name brand items. Now, not only accessories, you can get a pet for Barbie. Who knew? You can get like little ponies and puppies and all kinds of things. There are more Barbie things today than was when back in my day. So now I'm going to walk over to the Dollar Tree Plus section and look what I spotted. You know it's summer, that when you enter the aisle, they have a bunch of sandals and flip-flops out. Now, they do have the flip-flop styles. They even have these foam ones. Now, these are the $5 version. They're a little bit more beefier than the $125 ones, and they come in a different color. But they also had these type sandals with the leather style straps, and they also have some with just a little bit of bling, and these are all $5 too. They also have these large bags for the beach. Now, I love these because they are a super thick canvas. They have them in a different print. They have a watermelon, which I really love. Hello Summer. They also have this one that says Soak Up the Sun. And who doesn't love a tropical print? If that doesn't scream summer and beach, I don't know what does. I saw some new socks there too. These are the K-Swiss brand. These are $5 and you get 10 pairs of socks. I always think the bundles of socks are really a great deal, especially when you're getting 10 pairs, so be on the lookout for those. Now, I always feature the plush blankets. They're one of my favorite things at Dollar Tree, so I always look at them no matter what time of year that I go, because you never know. But I spotted something different today, and this was a little thicker. I thought it was like, what is this, a comforter or something? So I pull it out. You guys, this is a weighted blanket. I was totally blown away. So I took it out. Look how big it is in my cart. I wanted to take a closer look at it. First of all, the $5 price, amazing. But these weighted blankets are so nice. It's got a removable cover. These are known for relieving stress and anxiety when you want to relax. It is 12 pounds, you guys. This baby is heavy, and these range like $30 to $50 online, so $5 is an absolute steal on this item. They also have a bunch of remnant style rugs. Now, these are all finished rugs, and you can see they have different colors and sizes as far as the plush and the thickness, which is great. So you can choose the color and thickness that you would like for your space. These are great, just little throw rugs that you could put around the house, like at an entrance, in the kitchen, or wherever you may want to have them. But my Dollar Tree stocked up and has a bunch of these. Now, here's another item too that kind of blew me away. I love this little shelf. Look, this is a 2-tier shelf. It's got clear acrylic style metal poles that hold each level. These are great for under the sink storage, craft room storage, and it's only $5. I thought this was an amazing deal too. I wanted to point this out to you guys because if you see this in your plus sections for $5, it's definitely a grab. This was also really great for me too. I just bought one of these at Walmart for $8 a few weeks ago, but the plus section at Dollar Tree showed up with a $5 version. I was like, okay, I see what Dollar Tree is doing here. That is such a great deal for this large laundry basket. Now, if you wanted the traditional kind of hip style laundry baskets here, they did have those for $5. And then they have the same kind of flexible one that we just saw. That one's like for a small bushel. So these are great deals. Now, okay, look at this tray, you guys. I have been giving this tray away on my channel a few times in my previous videos because it was no longer available. But lo and behold, the Dollar Tree has brought it back, and I love it. So this 2-tier tray is metal. It's got a lacy metal trim, and it comes in white, blue, green, and yellow. A great deal. I've also featured these plushies before, but yay, I finally found the cow. I have been holding out on this cow and on the hunt for this cow for so long. My Dollar Tree finally had a few of them on the shelf. So don't give up hope, you guys. The cow will be waiting one day. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring lots of more name brand and awesome finds at the Dollar Tree? Check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check it out now by clicking my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.